Alright guys, many of you don't get to see this side of me. This morning I'm doing some curry, pink salmon for breakfast with some roast breadfruit. Cause you know me bring in the Jamaica sitting them. Yeah, so me go give you a preview. There we go. That's the salmon all curry down. Chili depani, black pepper, the curry, and some all-purpose seasoning, and some fish seasoning as well. Here we go. We have the onion, the garlic, and I'm gonna put on now some sweet peppers, pani, and me have the breadfruit that's in the oven. I go and do its little thing, you know what I mean? So one don't see that side, remember you know. And me don't know if me go get for sure when me go do the curry jackfruit with some shrimp and some roast breadfruit. Me think no normal, you know, but me not show that side here for my video them. Me do different kind of videos, yeah? But as me say, curry salmon this morning, the one in the tin, you know, me show you. Who don't know them here? You can do it with tin mackerel too, you can do it with anything. That one here is the pink salmon. So you can do it with all, what them call it, sardine, anything. Curry sardine, curry tin mackerel, curry salmon, and do the right thing, yeah? That for breakfast. We don't want to do it with fried dumpling, or we don't want to do it with them kind of something there, yeah? So, me just get the little onion and garlic, well stir up, you know what I mean? And what else me have now? Me need to get the peppers in. Me is a man, me don't know if I'm me alone, but me don't like use one color sweet pepper. It come like me don't want to cook it, me don't have my scotch bonnet pepper and the 3 color sweet pepper, they must some me work me thing. You understand? So me give them a one wash off, you know? I don't need no more than half of it. No more than a half of the sweet pepper, you get me? A little bit over half on the red one, yeah? Me want a half of that one, yeah? Turn down the stove, because I can't make the thing burn up, you know? Yeah? When you don't want no veg, them get burned. Turn on the stove. Yeah? Then we go so boom. Cut out that. Cut out that. Gorilla like me not really use cutting board, you know. Me just do my thing normal and natural same way. Cause you know me not like filter in my thing. I want J progress, believe. Watch what go on now. Then me cut up my sweet pepper. You see me? Some people like use the cutting board and show everything in the pot one time. Me, sure, can't bother with that because I have to go wash cutting board and then sitting there after. I just do it natural way and just hold it, cut it up. Hold it, cut it up. Yellow pepper now. This is normal, you know, people. Easy breakfast. Roast breadfruit, but if you don't go to Jamaica, you can't get the roast breadfruit them. Or else if you go to England, you go buy breadfruit for all £10. America, 15 US dollar, 12 US dollar for your breadfruit. No. The amount of breadfruit when my mother stocked me up with. Eh? Some of them time I still have breadfruit in my fridge. Well frozen. Just need to thaw. And people, not because the breadfruit roast already when you not carry it from like Jamaica and them place there. You don't feel like say it have to fry. No. You don't have a choice. All you need to do is pop the breadfruit in the oven. And you good. And you get back the natural roast breadfruit. Alright, that was frozen. Right? So now all me to see it there come off easy. So now it's no longer icy and frozen. Most of it not come off. Hold on. But you don't force it, else it will broke up. See there? One come off. So that the one not come off. So all you do, put it back in the oven, turn the oven down because you don't want to burn the breadfruit. Drop it back in the oven. The other one will come off easy. When them come off, you know say it's all ready. Nice and warm and ready. So here we go. Make we take a look in at the pot. So I go on my pot there. So that is all I'm little veg them thing them curry up. Alright? sweet pepper, onion, garlic. Me put the scotch bonnet pepper on the salmon, you get me? And this is how we are going to deal with the breakfast part of it. You get what I mean? Yeah, man. So, we get everything all ready up. The right and proper way. You hear me? Yeah. So, who bring in them little frozen things them? Me never want no ackee. Me never bring the ackee. For some reason, to me pack up everything, me can't hold nothing more in a pot. In my bag when me a pack up. So, see it here? Little curry there on the salmon there. And remember now, when you take things out of the tin like salmon and them something there, me will show you a trick. Some people stir until everything mash up. Even ackee when you carry from Jamaica. When you can't stir up, when you take a fork, when you turn the fork like this, and just dry it through like that. Me will give you a little preview how not to mash up things in our pot. See it there? See how me turn the fork? Looking at the pot. So, one way on the dry. You no go so and stir up. No, them things they go break up the thing. One direction. One. And then, if you want to break that little smaller, cause when them too chunky, it thing not ready. You get me? When them too chunky. And then now, in order to get the right thing for you all of that curry up now, right? Give it a little shake and then you go tip a little bit of water on it. Just a little bit of water. Yeah? That me I go put on it. You not put no whole heap of water on it. Because you don't know them things they go already. Them coming at the tin, them already soft. So you can't put no heap of water. You see this when me take it out, me go tip a little bit of warm water out of the kettle. In it. Not much. Put back the little oil. We just make a cup of tea so the water in the kettle still warm. You know look. That's about it. Not much. Right? And then we can turn up back the stove. Right up. Make the thing bubble. Just so the curry and everything go right across the globe. With that. You can say remember one. We don't want to mash up the thing too much. We don't want to mash up the thing too much. Make it go and do it. Then don't forget. Now waste nothing. Let me put back my other half a sweet pepper them. My other half a sweet pepper them, I go where them I go. That's it. Me nah trick you know. See me jackfruit, yeah? This is called jackfruit, people. Very nice when it's well ripe. This one is the turn one. Me never want it too ripe because me didn't want it be a bit hard. So when me curry it with the shrimp, it nice with some nice coconut rice with pumpkin in it, believe. Yeah man, everything I go on man. Everything I go on. Roast breadfruit with some curry. Salmon in the morning. Roast breadfruit with some curry salmon in the morning. I'll be showing you that thing again when I do that thing. Because we don't want to do too much stirring. See it here? See them part when you get the color, you just boom, flip it over. Flip it over. Because we not do no mash out nothing here. So. See it? We don't look on it. We don't look on it. That me a talk about. That me a talk about the people. When you see it now, that now you want to turn it back down. Right down and just make it go and simmer and me will cover it. And the reason why me go cover it now is because me want to get the proper, me want the little sweet pepper and them thing there Feel nice and soft. So make me cover up the pot. It turned down low, nothing can burn. Me not even have to watch it. Only thing me I do now is check for my roast breadfruit after me clean up your so. Cause remember the thing going on. When you cook, you clean as you go. I study gameplay. You see me? Clean as you go when you cook. And get to work. Now I go check for the roast breadfruit, yeah? And see what I go on. But remember the one that couldn't come off? I could see what I go on now. Watch ya. See it? Easy come off. Nice and warm. So you don't really have to fry it. You really don't need to fry the breadfruit again. Unless at that you prefer. You don't like when the breadfruit is fried. But you know when you get some good yellow heart breadfruit, them turn one day. You know. Everything there. Everything there. Now, me bang it back in the oven until that done. On the stove. Easy man. I'm telling you that thing again. You see after now? So when you take out the breadfruit, I come like when you just roast it. Some people, if you want a little tuxa, light butter upon it, you can do that. You see me? But with them yellow heart turn breadfruit, you don't need no butter upon it. It done soft and nice already. You get me I say? Yeah. Alright. You know want to see what go on over here, so? Me say, you know want to see what go on over here, so? See there? Curry, nice and curry salmon. You know want to see what go on over here, so? That me a talk about, man. See there? Breadfruit. Nice and ready. Y'all get little crisps. Y'all get little and crispy on the top. So you know it nah go normal. I want to wait till me plate you up. Me tell you, you know, me stack up everything from Jamaica. Believe me when me tell you. Come on phone. Stand up, make you get to her. Right there. Yeah man. Yeah people, I don't really do too much cooking vlog, you know, but don't get me thing wrong. I can do my thing in the kitchen. Alright, and here we go now. We have a tasty pot. And remember, I don't know enough people do it, but we not taste pot. We don't have half a spoon. No care your food at you put in your hand, nigga. Remember, let me see what me shot at. Alright? Yeah man. One thing me shot at, guess. Who can make the guess? Little bit of salt. Not much, just a little bit. That is it. I'm going to use spoon stir up that pot there. Remember, I'm telling you so we work here already. One direction. That way, no matter how you take it, it nah go mashy and mushy when you go to work with this. You get me? Yeah. Many people don't know if you do that. Them story the life out of it. Mushy and mash up like a blend, you blend out the salmon. No, we don't want that. That done, you know, my people. Yes, man. More a little bit more pepper though. Because of curry. And when you come on to curry, whole heap of pepper. If you don't eat pepper, you can't eat from me though, you know. I'm the type of person, if I don't have the pepper, these are crushed chilies. You don't really need the scotch bonnet if you cut up in a little thing like that. If you have the crushed chili with the seed and all of that, it's good to go. If me not have pepper, I can't cook, period. Now I cook no food. Yeah man. Alright. I think we do for them now. Look for the breadfruit. Alright. Alright. Me say the nicest thing is when I put the breadfruit in the oven after I roast. And you get that little crisps there on the top. The top is crispy and inside just nice and moist and soft. And remember me tell you now, I know no regular breadfruit them are the yellow heart. Turn breadfruit. So if you don't want to get the niceness out of breadfruit, make the breadfruit turn. Get the good yellow heart. We come like if you could eat passy, you roast. And get it turn. And then you roast that and cut it up and pack it in your bag for fly out with. So when you come here and bang that in the oven and cook you up with some curry chicken or them kind of thing, curry fish, curry salmon, curry mackerel, curry sardine, anything like that, remember me tell you, bam! Believe when me tell you. Alright, the food ready now, you know. The food ready. And I'm not going to waste no more time. And me show you when me plate it out. Because I'm not cut it short for you. I'm going to just plate it out and show you. Because when it comes to food time, I'm not really waste no time, you know. I'm not going to tell you no lie, it's a cream piece of youth. Yeah, when it comes to the food time, yeah, see them man, that's ready and done, man. Just a simmer up. All it's doing is simmering. You see me? So now, let me get some plate out. Get the plate them out. And get to work. Wife is saying no want no heavy breakfast this morning. So, you know where you go. Some of you man if you can cook. Woman love man we can cook. Them probably not tell you no, but woman love man we can cook. Because they take all the stress off of the woman. Believe me when me tell you. 1J progress. Alright, oven can lock off, you know. That can lock off because I know say that done. Everything lock off. This so. I'm show you what I talk about now. Alright. You know see crispy top when I tell you about? Look at that one here. See that little brown there? Right. You see that little brown there, Panny? Right. Yes, man. Get it active. Get it very much active. Very, very much active. And that's so you get a good, nice roast breadfruit. Yeah. We do a nice curry. Salmon in the mix. Me I take more wife, you know, because I crave another than. So, me I put all the pan for my plate. And anything when she eat and left to me, I knock it away. Believe me when me tell you. So, me go to work. Alright, that done now, man. Nothing no left in that. I don't feel crumbs them me I take out. Tell you one thing too. The food not look too nice. Means a boy will nothing way too bad with it. If the food not look too nice, I am that guy who will not really bother with it. Believe me when me tell you. Go to work with that. That as well. Hey, man. I choose to make me a plate up this way, because guess what? Till we me hungry right now when me see this. Me not have no time, me couldn't have no time to plate up nothing. So, I only chew me a do video. Make me a do this here. Believe me. Yeah man, I say you go to work, man. So you go to work. That done. So people, this is it. Roast breadfruit with curry salmon in the morning for breakfast. See it there? So we go to work. And people, me now waste no more time because me hungry. Hours now. So everybody, remember 1J progress. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow. Don't forget to like the video them and share the video them. Me love you from my heart, my supporters. Continue push the support and remember, We're trying to get to 7K. For the area coming 2024, 15K the goal. And people share the content them, like the content them, make sure to subscribe and get notified when we drop a video. 1J progress, believe.